Welcome to my channel Technical Arguen. Today's topic number system part 1. So go for it. Today's topic number system. So at first we should know about what is number system. The number system is the system of naming or representing numbers. There are various types of number systems in mathematics. They are number 1 decimal number system, number 2 binary number system, number 3 octal number system, and number 4 hexadecimal number system. Okay. Now these 4 number systems, the first is the decimal number system. Okay, and here 10 numbers are there from 0 to 9. Okay, in binary number system there are only 2 numbers are there, 0 and 1. In octal there are 8 numbers are there from 0 to 7, and in case of hexadecimal there 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, 10 numbers for decimals are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total 10. In binary number system, 0 and 1, these 2 numbers are only used. In octal number system, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, these 8 numbers only used. And in case of hexadecimal number, 0 to 9 is used and A to F, this is also used in case of hexadecimal number system. In decimal number system there are present 10 numbers, that's why its base is 10, means unique 10 numbers are present in that number system, that's why base is 10. Okay, in binary only 2 numbers are present, 0 and 1, so that's why its base is 2. In octal there are present only 8 numbers from 0 to 7, so that's why its base is 8. And in case of hexadecimal they are present 0 to 9 and A to F, total 16, that's why its base is 16. Okay, now the point is what is A to F. Okay, so in case of hexadecimal number system, what are the numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, next 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. This unique 16 numbers are present. The first 10 numbers have no problem. Okay, the problem arises from 10 to 15. We are defining 10 as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E and 15 as F. Okay, means we are not defining 10, we are defining just replace of 10 is A, just replace of 11 is B, just replace of 12 is C, and in that way. So in case of hexadecimal what happened? 1, 0 and 10 are not the similar, right? So when I am writing in hexadecimal 1, 0, it treats as 1 and 0, but when I am talking about 10, we are write A, we are not write 1, 0. Similarly, when I am talking 1, 5, means it's not a 15, I am talking 1 and 5, so they are taken as a separately. But when I am talking 15 only, then I am not write 15, in just replace it using F. The ambiguity is resolved just replacing each and every number from 10 to 15 respectively A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now I am talking how can we write a number. Means suppose I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a number. Now what happened if I am talking 1, 2, 3, 4, this number belongs to which number system? It's a decimal, it's a binary, it's a octal or it's a hexadecimal. First, solve that. It is a decimal number system. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 numbers is present within the decimal number system. Again, I can say that this number belongs to octal. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 also belongs to the octal number. And also we can say that this number is an hexadecimal because these 4 numbers is also present in the hexadecimal number system. But this number is not a binary. Why? Because 2, 3, 4 are not belongs to the binary number system. So now a single number belongs to 3 number system. Should have some notation, which notation indicates this number only belongs to a particular number system, and this notation is known as the base of the number 2, 3, 4 and gives just in 10. That means this number is a decimal number system. And similarly, when I'm writing the same number and we put the base is 8, that means it's an octal number system. And same manner, when this number just put the base 16, that means it's an hexadecimal number. That means this number is now not equal to this number, not equal to this number. Means these 3 numbers are unique. Why? Because this 1, 2, 3, 4 belongs to the decimal number system. This 1, 2, 3, 4 belongs to the octal number system, and this 1, 2, 3, 4 belongs to the hexadecimal number system. Means when I am defining any number in mathematics or in our computer science, we should define its base also, right? If I am not defining any base, so I am not indicating the number in a particular number system, right? I hope you have understood this topic, and number system conversion will be coming on next video, so keep watching. Thank you.